Introducing the exhilarating 2023 Hyundai Elantra, a marvel of automotive ingenuity that pushes the boundaries of excellence. This stunning sedan embodies elegance with its sleek and aerodynamic design, turning heads as it glides through the streets. Beneath its captivating exterior lies a treasure trove of cutting-edge features, setting a new standard for driving pleasure. Step inside and be enveloped in luxury with plush leather seats that offer both comfort and support, while the panoramic sunroof bathes the cabin in natural light. The state-of-the-art infotainment system takes center stage, boasting a colossal 12.3-inch touchscreen display, seamlessly integrating with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for a connected driving experience. The advanced driver assistance suite ensures peace of mind with features like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, making every journey safer and more enjoyable. Powering the 2023 Elantra is a spirited turbocharged engine, delivering exhilarating performance while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. With its dynamic handling and precise steering, this sedan glides through corners with finesse, redefining the thrill of driving. The 2023 Hyundai Elantra is not just a car, it's a masterpiece of automotive craftsmanship, elevating the driving experience to new heights.